Use drop-in with your Alexa contacts. Drop-in is an optional feature that helps you to instantly connect hands-free with Echo devices in your home and your closest friends and family. You can drop in on your own devices anytime, but before you can use drop-in from your app and outside of your household, you need to sign up for Alexa Communication. You can do this by selecting the communication icon in the Alexa app and following the prompts. To grant drop-in permission to others using the Alexa app, select the communication icon. In the Contacts section, select a contact from the list. Toggle the Allow Drop-in option on. To grant drop-in permission using an Echo device with a screen, say, "Alexa, show my contacts." Select a contact from the list. Toggle the drop-in option on. When you grant permission to a contact, this also applies to other members in their household. Granting permission sends a message letting the contact know you've granted them permission to drop in. If you want to turn off drop-in permissions, select the contact in the Alexa app and toggle the drop-in option off. When someone drops in on your Echo device, you will hear a chime to indicate that someone has dropped in. You can change device drop-in permissions in the Alexa app. To change which devices can receive a drop-in, select the Devices icon. Select Alexa, then your device. Select Communication. Select from the different permission options for that device. Repeat these steps for all your supported devices. Drop-in permission options for each of your supported devices include: On. Any contact you've granted drop-in permission to can drop in on this device. Only my household. Only household members can drop in on this device. Off. Drop-in isn't available for this device. You can temporarily prevent drop-in for a specific device using Do Not Disturb. To turn on Do Not Disturb, say, "Alexa, don't disturb me." To turn off Do Not Disturb, say, "Alexa, turn off Do Not Disturb." On Echo Show, you can also swipe down from the top of the screen and select Do Not Disturb. If someone else grants you permission to drop in, you can drop in on them by saying something like, "Alexa, drop in on John Smith." You can also use the Alexa app to drop in on your contact. Select the communication icon. Select the drop-in bar. Select the name of the contact you wish to drop in on.